Save money on your first RV with Boatin' RV's First Time Buyer Sales Event. 3 days only. You can get your first RV at $0 down with no payments till spring. Travel trailers as low as $15,999. Fifth wheels as low as $26,999. Motorhomes as low as $52,999. First time buyers, this is your chance to get rock bottom pricing. We'll give you the VIP tour showing you how to use your new RV's features and send you home with a first time buyer bonus accessory package. Our showroom is heated and all indoors with more than 2 acres of inventory. Don't miss Boatin' RV's First Time Buyer Sales Event this weekend only.